Do you know how to run C program without writing main in main function? Let me show you the code. We can replace the word main from main function with any word of our choice by using has define directive. Here is the output. This C program defines a macro and uses it to create an alternative name for the main function. Let's break down what's happening. This line includes the standard input-output library header, which provides functionality for input and output operations in C programs. This line defines a preprocessor macro named ABC and replaces every occurrence of ABC with main in the code. Essentially, you're giving an alias ABC to the main function. Here, you're defining a function named ABC, which is equivalent to main due to the macro definition. This function prints "Hello World" to the standard output.